Hey there guys, welcome to this episode of Pittsburgh Bottom Feeders. In this episode, we're going for channel cats during a rainstorm. Let's get them. Alright guys, we got a fish on here. Finally. On that hot dog again. Woo, spicy little guy. This reel's pretty much shot. Hope I can get him on the crappy reel right now. It's pretty crappy, this reel. He's pretty easy to come in. He's pretty small. Not really that big, but I just don't want to. Lose him. That's been a cat. After a long day of rain and on and off rain, and it's still raining right now. It'll start pouring here in a minute. Woo! Nice little channel. He's feisty little guy. He's doing his barrel roll. I love it when they do that barrel roll, man. I love it. It's a little bit bigger than I thought. A little bigger than I thought. Yeah, buddy. It's a lot bigger than I thought, guys. Get on hook here. Put the hook set on the side. Right on the top lip. You can open your mouth, I can get the hook out, you know. There you go, guys. Nice little channel cat on a hot dog. Love it. Go get the release here. Nice. Hot dog's gonna be the ticket, buddy. Hot dog's gonna be the ticket. Get this bad boy back out there again. Alright guys, there's this nice shelf out here where it drops off down to about maybe 8 or 9 feet. We're just sitting right on that ledge. I cast out over the ledge, let it sink to the bottom, reel it in a little bit, so we're just sitting right on that edge, and that demon dragon is out there in that current, and it's whipping around. So we just got one channel cat, so hopefully we get another one on this one, considering hot dog's going to be the ticket today. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to go ahead and cut it off. It's starting to get a little dark here. We haven't gotten a bite in the last 2 hours. The rain finally subsided a little bit here, but we haven't got a bite in the last 2 hours. I've been using cut bait on the Muddy River, and I haven't gotten anything on that. I've been using hot dog on this one. I've been getting good hits. I got 2 good runs, but I missed them both, and I did catch 1 catfish for you guys. So, as always, happy fishing and tight lines. See you guys next week.